Hello, I'm Akira, the owner and chef of VegiLicious. I opened VegiLicious 3 years ago here in Huntington Beach. Before that, I was the manager of a barbecue restaurant. Let me talk about why I quit the job and opened up a vegan organic restaurant. There are mainly 4 reasons. Number 1, I wanted to make customers happy and healthy in the real earnest. Number 2, I wanted to share more food for people serving in the third world. Number 3, I wanted to help better the environment. And number 4, I wanted to save animals. The first reason that I quit the manager's position at the barbecue restaurant and opened up a vegan restaurant named VegiLicious, which is this, was I wanted to make customers healthy and happy in real earnest. Unfortunately, many restaurants, including my last restaurant, do not make customers healthy. They might look to make customers happy with the food or service, but of course meat is not too good for human bodies. And not only meat, but they put a lot of bad stuff, including white sugar, table salt, oil, MSG, and even GMO products. They don't care about customers' health, but they want to make customers addicted to their food so customers can keep on coming back to their restaurant. So in long-term view, they're not making customers happy. I really want to make customers healthy and happy, so I quit a job and opened up a vegan restaurant where I can put all my heart and love to the food. So I use all organic products, high quality seasonings, and make everything from scratch with love. So a lot more people can get healthy and happy. And I'm really glad that I contribute to that. The second reason that I quit the manager's job at a barbecue restaurant and opened up VegiLicious was I wanted to share more food to people in the third world who are suffering from hunger. In rich countries, people consume a lot of meat. In order to produce meat, they give a lot of grains to cows, pigs, and chickens. In order to produce 1 pound of meat, they feed 8 pounds of grains in average. For beef, they feed 11 pounds of grains. For premium beef, such as Kobe beef, they feed 27 pounds of grains in order to produce only 1 pound of meat. If people cut down meat, we can save a lot of grains. I established VegiLicious and provide vegan meals. And if 100 people or 200 people come down here and have a vegan meal instead of a regular meal containing meat, we can save tons of grains that can be shared with people starving in the world. So we can share more food to those people in the world. So we can contribute to more lives and happiness, even though we don't know those people, but we can share with the world. The third reason that I quit the manager's job at a barbecue restaurant and opened up VegiLicious was I wanted to help better the environment. We all know that the environment of our beautiful planet, the Earth, has been getting destroyed more and more. But not many people know that the majority of the destruction has been caused by livestock. Yes, livestock actually destroys rainforests, pollute air worse than all the vehicles in the world, causes acid rain and desertification, consumes 10 to 20 times more water than regular farming, etc., etc. If many people come dine here at VegiLicious and enjoy a vegan meal instead of a regular meal containing meat, it would already have a good impact on the environment. The fourth reason that I quit the manager's job at a barbecue restaurant and opened up VegiLicious was I wanted to save more animals. Livestock such as cows, pigs, and chickens are raised in a very small, unhygienic barn and forced to eat grains which are mostly GMO products and meat and bone meal which are neither suitable for their own eating habits. In the slaughterhouse, they are not killed instantly, but actually suffer so much pain. Every day, 400,000 cows, 3,600,000 pigs, and 100 million chickens are killed for humans. If many people dine here at VegiLicious, enjoying a vegan meal instead of a regular meal containing meat, we can make the meat production decrease and save some animals. I want to help reduce the sacrifice of the animals as much as possible. Thank you for watching.